Hey friends, Stu's not with me to help me record today, but I'm going to tip to do this myself anyway because I want to make some pasta with you. I am in the mood. Turns out I'm a lot better at cooking than I am at recording myself, which is exactly why you should join the Elliott Homestead cooking community.
There is a quiet revolution happening right now in kitchens all over, a return to the table. In our cooking community, we believe that the food you prepare for your loved ones is an opportunity to reflect the values that you hold dear. Each month, I create 5 new homemade recipes to add to our growing archive, and each has its own instructional video. But it's more than just cooking. Inside our exclusive online space, you'll connect with hundreds of genuine and welcoming home cooks. You can ask questions, share victories, offer encouragement, and dive deeper into techniques. This is a space where you can belong. And whether you're on your desktop or your phone, our community app is there at your fingertips. Heritage cooking meets modern life schedules in our cooking community. This is where we make time and food in our kitchen count. Right now, you can get 2 months free with an annual membership. Click the link below to learn more. We can't wait to meet you. Making pasta by hand is one of those tasks that's very easy to avoid in the kitchen. You could easily go through your entire life and never put your hand to such a task. Now, our modern way of thinking would maybe think this is some sort of victory. We don't have to go to the effort to do work like this, especially in the kitchen, because so much of it can be done for us in factories. And yet, there are some of us who find value in not only playing hard and enjoying the fruits of the fun, but also in working hard. In fact, work can be its own form of flavor, especially in the kitchen. If you'd like the recipe for what I'm going to be making with you today, you can check that out in the show notes below the video. But this is one of my very favorite handmade pastas to make. While I often will buy dried pastas, such as spaghetti or linguine or pastas that are good to have dried because then you can cook them al dente really beautifully, this fresh egg pasta is a different type. My favorite version is stuffed with a very simple ricotta filling, which is just ricotta, salt and pepper, grated nutmeg, and Parmesan cheese. Dead simple to make, and it always makes the people you serve it to so happy. Again, this is one of those items that you can find in the grocery store. In fact, right now, you could go to the frozen food section and just pick out some stuffed ravioli and be on your way. But where is the fun in that? Part of my work in the kitchen isn't just the nourishment of the food that's going into my family, but it's actually in training my hands and in training my mind and in training my heart to love the work and to find value in it. Now, all of us find value and like to spend our time doing different things. Most of us work hard at something. Homemade pasta is simply the way that comes to fruition in our home. And really, even though it does take a little bit of work, the play that you get to experience, especially when you're eating the pasta and every single bite that you enjoy was formed by hand, is really something special. Now, of course, I'm rolling my pasta dough here with a pasta rolling machine, a wonderful invention that's just manually operated, but you can certainly roll your pasta sheets out by hand using a pasta roller. I'll put a link to one of my favorites below the video as well. To me, making homemade pasta is about making time in the kitchen for the things that bring me pleasure. Yes, it's labor, but it is also fun. As my friend Audrey often reminds me, 2 things can be true at the same time. In moments like this, when I'm putting effort to something, I often don't turn any music on at all. I don't listen to podcasts. I just sort of sit in the silence of the labor and let my hands just do the work. Gardening is the same sort of effort. It's a lot of work and a lot of play. But what I find is that when you put your hands to work, it allows your mind to quiet. It's focusing on the labor at hand. And what happens then is that the mind actually has this wonderful way of clearing itself out. It processes thoughts and thinks about this and thinks about that. I try to not control the thoughts at this point. I just let them go. While I'm working, I think about this as like a chance for my brain to sort of just offload everything that's been clogging it up. So you get done and you feel like you've had a little therapy session, and then you get to eat pasta. I got some help. How do you think they look, bud? Good. Good? You did a nice job putting the edges on them. Do you know why we do that?
So they don't come undone. And it looks.
Because it looks pretty too, doesn't it? Oops.
Try some.
See if you can guess. Ricotta, salt, pepper, Parmesan, and nutmeg. That's it. I found some in the pantry. What do they have people coming over for?
Hot?
No.
Yum.
How's your school going? What's next? Latin? Math's done? What else? IW's done? What else? Piano? Workout? Are you playing chess?
Funny story, actually. A few minutes ago,
Today is a work day for me as well. I already just finished on the computer. Now I finished the dishes. Now I need to clear all the shrapnel away. this is what I'm going to tear into tomorrow. This needs to be cleaned through pretty badly, but just tidying things up. Man, they just get messy. It's just part of it. It's what real life looks like. How's your work coming for the day?
Working hard. We're working hard or we're hardly working?
Here. Well,
Always gets them. Always gets
We're
them.
working hard. But
yeah.
yeah. But if you work hard, you get to play hard. Right?
Which comes first?
Play hard.
Choo-choo. Is that how we start our day, by playing hard?
We start our day by waking up.
Mm-hmm. And what does work hard look like for you?
Chopping wood,
Yeah.
feeding animals, school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All hard things.
Yeah.
We can do hard things though, right?
Anything else?
My hard work is
Jiu-jitsu
trying
is
to get
pretty
up there
hard.
with that sled.
Yeah.
So,
Is there any work that's also play?
Oh,
So,
Oh,
it's good.
okay.
dance.
Yeah.
Dance is fun. It
And hard.
hurts.
Yeah.
A lot.
Reading can be hard work, but it's also like you get to read fun stories.
Yeah.
Do you know what my work hard, play hard is?
Works.
Be mom.
Work in the office.
No work out in the office.
I was thinking of making pasta.
You like stew?
Yeah.
All right. Speaking of working hard, we need to finish work.
All right. Quit distracting me, kids. Okay. I finished cleaning the kitchen.
Awesome.
Will's finishing almost with Latin. What are you finishing?
Keeping my hands busy.
Show him what you did. Show him. Y'all, Stu made this over Christmas break.
I helped.
From a
of course.
chunk of wood. From a chunk of wood.
Yep.
Now it's a pipe.
No, it's a pipe. Isn't that fun?
It's so fun to me. There's a hole that runs all the way through that thingy, obviously.
The stem.
There you go. Just cool.
That it could also be
What could it be?
like walking stick.
Little tiny walking stick.
You walk Hey, look. Great tiny guy. It could be a walking stick and also be a thing.
So here's our finished
One.
trimmed window. I haven't put the curtains back up yet because look, it's sunny today and you need to take in every ray of sunshine that you can. Not cell.
So it's in this.
But look at this. Look how, oops, it didn't focus. Focus. There you go. Look how pretty this looks. Now we have a trimmed window. Isn't that lovely? Well, isn't that lovely?
That is great. So I look eggs.
I'm so happy with how it turned out.
Did look very good when it wasn't trimmed.
Shush. I still need to paint this one. You can see. Have it yellow. That's going to be yellow. Here's the finished skirt that my mom made me, which turned out so beautiful. And this was made from old curtains that we had. And I think it goes really well in the kitchen. And I have a whole nother curtain. And I'm thinking we should make some matching curtains here, but with some tie backs so they don't block out any of the sun.
Oh, I know.
If I can get her to say yes.
Student.
Please, Mom, please.
Yeah.
Well, I'm trying to finish something. Like actually finish a project. Can you imagine?
No.
Yeah.
Why would one want to do that?
I don't know. It probably brings some kind of sense of completion. So, 5 years after we remodeled our kitchen, I'm painting and trim.
All right. I did my part.
I know. I know. It's taken me all week to get to this time where I just have a total 20-minute window to do this. So, it's going to be really nice when it's done.
Good luck.
I'll try.